If your Dell monitor isn't playing sound through HDMI or DisplayPort, don't worry, this is usually a simple fix. Start by checking the physical connections. Make sure the HDMI or DisplayPort cable is firmly plugged into both your computer and the monitor. Even a slightly loose cable can stop audio transmission. If possible, test with another cable and inspect the ports for dust or visible damage. Next, check the volume settings on both devices. Confirm your computer isn't muted and that the monitor's built-in volume is turned up. Use the monitor's physical buttons to open the on-screen display menu and look for audio settings to ensure internal speakers are enabled. The most important step is setting the correct playback device in Windows. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, open Sound Settings, and select your Dell monitor as the default output device. If multiple audio devices appear, disable the ones you're not using to avoid confusion. If sound still doesn't work, outdated drivers may be the issue. Visit Dell's official support site and download the latest graphics and audio drivers for your system. Updated drivers often restore HDMI or DisplayPort audio instantly. Also, temporarily disable third-party audio enhancement software, as it can override default sound routing, especially in dual monitor setups. If you're using two displays, double-check that Windows isn't sending audio to the wrong screen. Set the correct monitor as the default playback device in the sound control panel. Dell's Support Assist tool can also automatically detect and repair audio issues if manual fixes don't work.